Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Just go to Instagram and log in your account and then click in your profile icon. Go to settings. After that you go to privacy and security. And then you see here account privacy. Click private account. Just tick in this box. They mention here business account cannot be private. You need to have a personal account to make it private. If you have a personal account, then just when you tick in this box, it will show blue color. This is what you need to do if you want to make your Instagram account private. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.